Hi guys, welcome back to another Arduino tutorial for beginners. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use a potentiometer and how to connect it to the Arduino. A potentiometer is a simple knob that provides a variable resistance which we can read into the Arduino board as an analog value. An Arduino board has 10-bit analog to digital converter. That means that it will map into voltage between 0 and 5 volts into the integer value between 0 and 1023. Because we are using a 10-bit, that means 2 of power of 10 is 1024, but because we are using from the number from 0, that means we have a range from the 0 to 1023. Okay, the potentiometer, all potentiometer, as you see, they have 3 legs. If you see the diagram, I have it on the your screen. We have 3 legs. Here is a 3 pins, and always the first and the third one you have to connect it to the 5 volt and the ground. It doesn't matter which one you use, but the middle one always go to analog pin. In my case, I'm using the analog pin 0. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to connect the wire to this one in practice. I'm gonna connect the first leg of my potentiometer to 5 volts on my Arduino board, and then the middle leg of potentiometer I'm connecting to the A0, the analog pin 0, and then last pin, the third pin, I'm gonna connect it to the ground. Okay. Now, how can we use the potentiometer and see the data from the 0 to 1023? I wrote a small program here. Here we assign, as you see, I connect the analog pin, the middle pin of the potentiometer to analog pin 0. That's why I assigned this potentiometer pin to 0. And also here in setup function, I assign this serial communication to show you in the serial monitor how the numbers go back and forth between 0 and 1023. And then in loop function, I'm reading the analog signal from the potentiometer and also printed in the serial monitor. Okay, let's connect the USB cable to Arduino to upload the program to the AVR. Here first we have to make sure the port and the board is correct, yeah, and then I'm gonna compile, and after that upload it to Arduino Uno. Now I open the serial monitor here, as you see, showing the maximum value of 1023. If I rotate the knob to one side, you see the numbers are decreasing and then going all the way down to 0. That means we have a value from the 0 to 1023. Yeah, there are a lot of applications you can use with potentiometer. You can use it for the the brightness of the LED. You can use it as a timer for the LED. You can also using in a motor. You can set the speed of servo motor or something like that with the, because you're changing the value. You can change the speed of the motor according to this value. Now I'm gonna show you the small example. I'm using a potentiometer and change the delay of the blinking LED. I already connected the LED to the 220 ohm resistor, and then from the resistor I connect this, I disconnect this one first and connect it to the pin number 8, and then I'm gonna connect the ground, the shorter legs of the LED to the ground of Arduino. Now it's very simple. I can go to the example here, Arduino example. I'm gonna go to the actually the blink. Pretty much we can copy paste some of this. Actually we can assign the LED pin to 8, and then we can go also have a pin mode as output, LED pin output. Okay, now pretty much we can use this one here, but instead of the LED built in, we are using this one. Okay. Now the value we are reading from the analog signal, I can just assign to the delay. That means if I am on 0, there is no delay, and then if I'm 1023, it's more than 1 second delay. And let's say what happened. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'm gonna close this one, we don't need it, and then I'm gonna connect the USB cable back to the Arduino Uno. Okay, we have to compile this program, make sure there is no error. Okay, no error, and upload the program to the AVR. Okay. Okay, as you see right now, is the value is 1023. That means we have a delay 1 second. If I decrease the value, that means the blinking should be faster. As you see now, the blinking is very fast. And then here I go to 0, pretty much is you cannot put a 0 as a value, but as you see is very fast right now. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe in my channel. That helps me a lot to keep going with my tutorials, and see you guys soon. Bye.